Okay, this is the installation of the rear airflow kit. Nissan NV3500. All the air ducts are up, sealed, secure, and then airport adapter goes on there. What you do is, when this pillar is off, you put the overhead side ducts up, and then you connect the hoses to here, to the downspouts, and then you run the hoses through the, through the bracket inside the pillar. Then you run them down, then you connect them to the airport adapter. And then as you run them through, you put this panel up first, then you run them down and connect them. It's easier that way. Roof's all insulated. Now we put all the panels back and the headliner. Everything else is done. Rear evaporator's cleaned. Always gotta leave a space there because you got a plastic magnet tower in the front of your rear headliner. And if you don't leave space, those magnets are not gonna make contact with the metal roof. So you do that there. And then you also have, let me show you about the plastic magnet tower. That's it right there. You gotta leave space in the front. Also, the rear panel has magnets too. See that? So when you put the rear insulation in, you leave a space back there so they can connect to the roof. Okay, there you go. Nissan NV3500 rear airflow kit installation.